Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me lookalike Tate McRae version. I'm going to try my best to replicate Tate McRae's makeup that she does on the daily. So if you guys are interested on how to do your hair like Tate McRae, how to do your makeup like Tate McRae, how to even dress like Tate McRae, then definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started.
See you so excited.
What's up, you guys? I am so excited. I am going to a Tate McRae concert in about 2 hours. I'm gonna try my best to replicate Tate McRae's own beauty routine, her infamous 10-minute get ready with me video that she did. I have picked out makeup that she also uses. I got some really cute outfits as well, inspired from some of her most iconic music videos. So I love Tate McRae. I'm so excited, if you can't already tell. And if you wanna see me transform into Tate McRae or do my best,
just keep watching.
So Tate McRae actually mixes her foundation with her moisturizer. I know, sounds a little crazy, but we're gonna do exactly what Tate does today. My eyeliner is not already done, it is tattooed on. It's still such a shocker for me seeing my eyeliner like tattooed on my eyes every single day, but it saves so much time. So if you are interested in getting your eyeliner tattooed, then definitely check out that video I did. Zoom you guys in here. If I can find the zoom button, technically challenged. There we go.
Use is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And I actually have been seeing this all over the internet recently where people take moisturizer and they mix it with their foundation. So I started trying it and it's been so great. Usually if you just don't want your foundation too heavy, which I hate it so much when it's too heavy, I like to just mix them together.
All right, I'm taking my moisturizer and I'm just going to mix the two together. It looks nice and dewy. Feels really hydrating. I mean, she is the spokesperson for Neutrogena, so I don't know if that's like a little flex she threw in there, like, oh, by the way. I am so excited for her Miss Possessive tour tonight, like so freaking excited. You have no idea. I love all of the new songs on her album. What's your favorite, by the way? Comment below. Mine is definitely Sports Car. And oh my God, her music videos are so good. And then I also love Run for the Hills. Okay, I know the music video is like super simple for that. Like she's literally just like on like a kind of like a treadmill and she's running and there's like a background. She's so good at like dancing and expressing her emotion through dance. Like she is an amazing performer, an amazing singer, an amazing songwriter, an amazing dancer. So I'm, yeah, head over heels to go see her in concert. I paid an astronomical price to sit in the 3rd level, but I don't care because I'm so excited. Then I'm gonna go in with a concealer, which is what she does next as well. Pop that on there. She also takes an eyebrow gel, so I'm just gonna take what I have here, and then she just like straightens up her eyebrows. She combs through them. Just comb up my brows, fill in any sparse hairs. She literally just like glues her brows up. Then she takes this Charlotte Tilbury, this airbrush bronzer, which is heaven. And she does like just above her eye here. Just right there. Kind of looks really good on her. She does her nose. Dot, dot, dot. And this makes her nose look thinner. And I know she kind of just up here a little bit. Takes a blush, and I know she just goes just on her cheeks just a little bit. She goes over her nose. I'm using the Milani in Dolce Pink, very similar to what she uses. This is my favorite blush ever. It's like got iridescent chunks in it. Like it's so beautiful. Like I know so many makeup artists rave about this one and it's drugstore friendly. Oh, it's amazing. So then she takes the Spice Mini Palette by Anastasia by Beverly Hills. And she likes just a natural look with a little bit of sparkle, very similar to what I already do in my everyday look. I'm gonna go ahead with this color over here on the side and blend that into the crease. Oh yeah, so pigmented, so beautiful. Holy crappers. And she just blends the shit out of that.
I think the goal, I think what you really just have to do is like, when you don't really know how to do makeup, just kind of keep blending and you will get somewhere, in my opinion.
Then she just takes a sparkly shade. So I'm gonna go ahead with this bad boy right here. Just apply that all over to the center. And oh my gosh, you guys, so beautiful, so pigmented. Her style is exactly like mine. I'm just gonna apply this right to the center. Oh, this is a Makeup by Mario dual-ended brush, by the way. It has a fluffy blending side on one side, and on the other side, this is where you pat on the eyeshadow. So I just like kind of switch constantly. So I'm gonna blend in those, I'm gonna blend the crease in just so that the sparkles kind of don't have a harsh line. And wowza, so pretty. This palette, oh my gosh, if this is the only palette you need, it's got all your amazing neutral natural colors. So beautiful. I'm gonna take that same color with a little smudge brush and do underneath my eye now. Very lightly. So she takes this darker brown color on the end here, and then she just gives herself a little wing on the end. Now I'm gonna take this Makeup by Mario Blur Setting Powder and my Sephora Poof, and I'm just going to pat that all in so that when I sweat tonight from all the dancing that I'm gonna be doing, my makeup won't budge. I'm gonna let that sit for like 2 minutes. All the places that I'm probably going to sweat the most. And now I'm gonna do my lips with a lip pencil. This is the Huda Beauty Contour 2.0 lip pencil. TaeMcRae and Hailey Bieber are like sponsors for Rhode lip pencils. So I got this in this shade that they also have. I'll link it below. And I'm gonna go under my lips, like not on my lips, under. And that makes my lips look bigger and fuller. Then I'm just gonna take my MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade See-Through. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara. I love using the Gucci mascara. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. I'm just using these Tweezermans from Amazon. Tweezerman eyelash curlers from Amazon. And she loves to add a lash for her looks. So I'm just gonna go in with these Lily lashes. This is in Soho. And I have cut mine kind of in half. And I'm just gonna apply those on because they make you feel so fierce, like you have an alter ego. I'm also using the Lily Lashes Clear Brush On Gel because nobody likes the white gooey kind of look. Now it's time to finish off the look with some setting spray so that I can lock in this look all night. And that is it for the makeup look, but stay tuned because now we're gonna do our hair like Tate McRae, those gorgeous waves that she has. So let's get started. Ah, my frizzy hair. This is how I look naturally. Okay, anyways, let's just take some clips, a hairbrush, and we're gonna brush our hair and part it down the middle because Tate McRae is known for her signature part down the middle. Now I'm just sectioning off half of my hair from the top of my head and starting off with the bottom half first. Oh, and this is a must-have texturizing spray by Redken. This will help your curls stay all night. My husband loves to photobomb every time I'm trying to film. Sorry about that. So I'm using a cordless Dyson hair straightener for this look, and I hold mine upside down and I just pull on my hair with it and then wrap it around and use it about 10 seconds, and then I just let the curl come out. Leave a tiny bit of your ends out at the end, I'd say about an inch or two. I also use this Hold hairspray by Kenneth Bernard, and this works like a charm. Now I'm just working on the top part of my hair here. And this is the final look, you guys. It is a just simple beach wave, and I always take a hairbrush and comb through it. And I find that these curls last about 3 days, and I also don't wash my hair every day. I wash it like every 4 days, so it's super easy to maintain. And as promised, here are some super cute Tate outfits I was planning on wearing to the concert, but I couldn't choose which one. So I had a few shirts that I ordered actually on AliExpress and Amazon, but I actually ended up creating a total look from her video, It's Okay, I'm Okay. And I wore this to the concert and it was such a hit. Like, I had so much fun wearing this. Like, I got so many compliments. And it's also like doubles as a Halloween costume, so I absolutely loved wearing this. Oh, another side tip, instead of buying the merchandise at the concert, oh my gosh, like the shirts were like $80. I highly recommend checking out AliExpress or Amazon because it was like $10 and the shipping was like a week and a half. The concert was absolutely so amazing. Our seats were great. We had tons of leg room and a little shelf like for your drinks, so we felt so cozy. And Zara Larsson actually opened up for Tate McRae here in Canada. So Zara Larsson is amazing. And of course, TaeMcRae was absolutely amazing herself. It was such a good concert. It was like only 3 hours, so short, but I'm so glad I went, and I highly recommend, if you guys haven't been to Tate McRae's concert, to definitely check it out. It is such a good time. The energy is so high. It is a great night out. And that is it for my video today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you think I did an okay job at this Tate McRae lookalike video, then comment below. I mean, I know Tate is like so gorgeous, but I love the makeup she uses. I think she does a really good job on herself, but her makeup artist always makes her look so fierce, especially in her music videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Now I gotta go get ready to go to this concert, so I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.